When it came to finding someone to head up the inquiry into the prosecution of Bruce Lehrmann after his high-profile trial over the alleged rape of Brittany Higgins collapsed with no findings against him, Walter Sofronoff came highly recommended.
Mr. Sofronoff is not just some guy off the street. This was a guy who'd been a Supreme Court Justice in Queensland. He'd undertaken a significant Royal Commission in Queensland. He came to this with a significant reputation.
For the former ACT Attorney-General, the Integrity Commission's finding that Mr. Sofronoff engaged in serious corrupt conduct is a bitter blow.
It's a real betrayal of trust for the community.
The allegations stem from the release of his final report to journalists Janet Albrechtson of The Australian and Elizabeth Byrne of the ABC in 2023, before it was made public by the Territory Government. In Ms Albrechtson's case, he also provided confidential material, including witness statements, copies of proposed adverse findings and drafts of the inquiry's report. The Integrity Commission notes Mr. Sofronoff denied wrongdoing and claimed he acted in the public interest to ensure media were adequately informed. Ultimately, the Commission found that position was not tenable. Several of Mr. Sofronoff's adverse findings were about the conduct of the ACT's then top prosecutor, Shane Drumgold, who later resigned. The Integrity Commission's report found the disclosures to journalists could have amounted to offences, were dishonestly concealed, were a breach of public trust, and the report should have been provided exclusively to the Chief Minister.
I think the findings speak for themselves in how conclusive they are.
The Integrity Commission gave no adverse comment or opinion on anyone else mentioned in its report, and it's now up to police and the Director of Public Prosecutions to decide whether they take the findings any further. Harry Frost, ABC News, Canberra.